What's up, people, and we are back with another challenge with these two. So before we start, do not forget to hit the subscribe, like, comment and share, because this challenge is gonna blow your mind. So you probably want to share it with your friends and even try it.
Yep.
What's better than doing some fun challenges at home when everybody is locked? So this time this is gonna be a no hands eating challenge. To make this challenge interesting, let Tanya tell you what they are eating today.
Okay, so in this plate they have a brunch here, which includes scrambled egg with cheese, cinnamon rolls, cinnamon crunch bagel and some slices of bacon. So they both have the exact same things. They have their water here with straws because they cannot use their hand to drink water. And I am super excited about it.
Yeah, so the challenge is gonna be about whoever finishes it first is gonna win. Now, if you have seen our past challenges, such as the chubby bunny challenge and stuff, you know that this guy has a mouth of a cow. So he can literally put the whole bun in probably. So Ashley has a tough fight here, but without much further ado, let's get started.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh my god.
They're good.
What are you
What's wrong with your nose?
Oh, my water is over.
This is going to be super fun. Oh my god. She's chasing her plate right there and he thinks he's super smart and not even eating it.
Yeah, he's so
And
slow.
he's gonna just probably lose. Let's see, I'm excited to see what's going on here.
No. You can come here and see.
Remember that?
Come on, let's do it. Nidesh is just going on looking at Ashley. I don't know why. She's eating so fast and look at him.
You want to see bacon?
Oh my god.
Yeah, you thought that you could eat the whole thing at once, but
Look at their face.
look at it! With all the cream cheese on it.
I like the bacon.
Oh my god, Ashley is super fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is. Look at her plate.
She got the whole food left.
I'm imagining myself as a dog.
That's true.
I have butter all over my shirt. The bagel's so hard to pick up.
She's like, which side should I pick it up from?
I haven't started bacon.
I cannot.
Let me help you.
This looks like the right food to do this challenge.
Look at her nose with the cream cheese on it.
It's butter. Oh no.
No!
Look at him.
Okay, it's already 3 minutes. Looks like none of them has even eaten their half the food. So this challenge is getting a little interested. Gosh.
He's like, move. He needs.
He was playing super smart before, but now her bagel is gone.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Ashley is on fire today.
Now he's getting this. He's like, speed up, speed up.
Eat your eggs faster. Just eat all your eggs. Come on.
Go.
How do you eat bacon?
Come on, Ashley, you can do it! Ashley! And you with Nitish, I'll be with Ashley.
That's like me forced to go with someone.
Oh my god, they're almost done. Look at that.
Hey, don't do that. Don't make her go so.
Go get that.
Yeah! That's a good comeback.
Look at a big slice of cinnamon.
Well, that's gone.
It was the same size. Look at him pushing the glass away.
This was the hard thing to eat. Good. Breaking my plates now. Oh my god. Ashley just ate the entire thing.
Cinnamon, yeah.
Oh my god, this
Oh
is
my
getting
God,
so
come
excited.
on.
Now these are like last minute things. Okay, it's getting real. Come on, Ashley, just
Johnny,
do
do
it.
it.
Chew it faster, drink it. Hey.
That's cheating.
Oh my god, this is getting real because they pretty much have the same amount of food left.
Yeah.
Nitish probably had a bite more, but then, okay, there goes the entire bagel in. He's more focused on distracting her.
Yeah, instead of eating.
Okay, I guess we found a challenge that could defeat Nitish finally in terms of eating.
Yep.
There goes the whole
Oh
bagel,
my
the last
God,
bite. Come on!
Come on!
Let's make this real, come on! Ashley, come on, you can do it! He's like trying to eat the whole thing, just shove it in your face already, eat it! Ashley, come on, lift it up! Go, 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 go!
Yes, Marvel. Are they eating food like you? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Come on, come on.
He cannot bite it, Ashley, come on, just do it! He has to drop it!
Yeah, it cannot be in your mouth.
Let
It has to be on the way through.
Oh! Oh. Last few chunks, just make them disappear, Ashley, come on. Last few chunks on the plate. Make them disappear.
The mouth is full. No.
I think Ashley already won.
Finished her food, yeah?
Yep, she won.
She won. You still have it in your mouth and in your plate. No, you have it in your plate also,
Yep,
sir.
she won.
She won.
Come on, chew it up, chew it up, chew it up.
Oh my god. You have to show them their faces.
Yep. Okay.
She cleaned it good.
Oh yeah.
She
There we go.
Oh!
And look at that. Definitely a winner. Definitely a winner. Let's look at the closer look at their faces with the little cream cheese and whatnot. Look at that. You guys probably want to see this. Look at his beard. Okay, so we have a winner. You wanna go with a winner?
Yep. Winner!
Alright. Was it fun? How did you guys enjoy it?
How much food to eat?
Okay people, so I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching them trying to eat a bagel, scrambled eggs, bacon and a cinnamon crunch roll. So that was amazing. Ashley won. I think we found a challenge that slows Nitish down finally. Something that he cannot just put in the mouth the whole thing because he had to like take a bite off. So, well, anyways, I hope you guys had a lot of fun and we are gonna see you in our next vlog challenge, something exciting. Until then, bye-bye!